how to create a pattern tile like this in Photoshop. Start with the document 2000 by 2000. Key thing is it's square. Once you've done that, go to the gradient tool. And with the gradient tool selected, go up to classic gradient and select any of the gradient designs, anything super colourful, and also blend mode of difference. And that's a great way of combining multiple gradients very quickly and creating some very colourful designs. Something like that. It's a great start point for the next effect, which is liquefy. So you can create all kinds of swirls and weird and wonderful designs. Go to filter and liquefy. Now in liquefy, go up here, you can select any of these tools. And I'm just going to go with this one, forward warp. And you can set the size, modify it in all kinds of ways, and you can simply just brush over the whole thing and create all kinds of distortions. But you can apply the other ones to create bloating effects, also twirls and more. So once you've got that, make sure you've got pin edges on. Makes it much better because unfortunately you might be able to just drag the layer away there from the edge. So click OK. And you could use this one, perfectly reasonable, but I want to distort it a bit more. And the great thing about liquefy and Photoshop is you can quickly repeat it. So liquefy again, and it will apply exactly the same effect, but this time really distorting it even more. So this is 2000 by 2000, and what you can do, you can go to the Libraries panel. In the Libraries panel, we can go down the bottom, and there's a little plus, one of the hidden features of Photoshop. Extract from image. So extract from image, and with this you get this panel. And you think, great, it's not exactly what I want for tiles. What I want is this. And the reason that's why I went for the 2000 by 2000 square tile is that by setting the scale to 1, you get the entire thing. You get the entire image scaled and fitting as that pattern. And then you can go save to CC library. And it's just stored away. At the moment, it's not a pattern preset. But you can go over to the pattern. Here it is in the libraries. Just saves it to the current library you've got. Right click and you can apply the pattern as well as create pattern preset. So create pattern preset and also apply pattern. So it's stored away in the patterns now, and also you can use it as a pattern design here. Now you can see I've got it at 25. I can put it to 100. I can also put it to 200 and so on. And you can see that design. And you can move it around. You can reposition it. So you can create very quickly super colourful, wonderful pattern design that you can use, combine as well. Because you can go to layer. In layer, you see there, you've got this design. Hold down the Alt or Option key and just drag, and that will duplicate that pattern. Now, obviously at this point, it's exactly the same. But you can go to the one that's above, double click, and you can reposition this and click OK. Then go to the blending mode and go through, maybe go with difference, lighten, and so on. So you can create wonderful combinations of these pattern designs, and they're still live. So you can always modify it again, reposition it. You might think that is a nicer pattern than before, and click OK. If you want to save it as a complete flat image, simply go to Layer and Flatten Image, and you can then use your design in countless other ways. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike is always great. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding lots of videos about Photoshop and how to use them, patterns, etc. Bye.